Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use FreeTaxUSA Guide for Easy Tax Filing. So, first, what is FreeTaxUSA? FreeTaxUSA is a popular online tool that helps individuals file federal tax returns for free at a low cost. Now first, create an account. Go to freetax.usa and click on Start 2024 Return. This one. Now, to start a new tax return, choose the appropriate tax year, usually defaults to the current year. And then, select Start New Return to begin entering your tax information. Next, enter your personal information. Fill in your full name, social security number, address, filing status, single married filing jointly. Then, dependent information if applicable. Now, report your income. Input your W-2 details or employer-provided wage statements. Add other income like 1099's freelance investments and employment, interest or dividends, and business or rental income. FreeTaxUSA walks you through each income type with prompts. Now add deductions and credits. Choose standard deduction or the default or itemized deduction if you qualify. Enter info for student loan interest, child tax credit, retirement contributions, and education credits. Form 10980. Now review and double check. The software runs an accuracy check. It alerts you to missing or inconsistent information. Review each section carefully before continuing. File federal and state returns. Federal return, always free to file even with complex returns. On state return, it has a small fee, around $14.99, or skip if your state doesn't require filing. You can e-file both or choose to print and mail. Now choose refund or payment options. Select how you want to receive your refund. First, direct deposit. It is the fastest. And next is check by mail or pay taxes due via bank transfer or credit card. Next, submit and save. Once everything looks good, e-file your return. Download and save a copy of your return and confirmation page for your records. And lastly, track your refund. Use the IRS tool Where's My Refund, and FreeTaxUSA will also show status updates when logged in. Now some tips for beginners. First is, use the Guide Me feature for step-by-step help. Next, free live chat support is available with the deluxe version. Third, save your login to make filing faster next year. And lastly, use their audit support if needed, but it costs extra. And that's basically it.